What's up, YouTube? Not much here. This is Jesse and
Amber.
Vlog back at you once again with another video. What are we gonna do right now?
Go get your infusion.
Yes, boys and girls, we're on our way to the hospital to get the fusion. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is snowing right now. How do you feel about all the snow?
It's cold.
It's cold. We're gonna go right now, get it done and over with, because the roads are kind of horrible. Just like that, we are finally at the hospital. Gonna go up to the 5th floor and go get my infusion. I know you were a little bit afraid.
Yes.
Do you want to tell them why?
Because you were recording.
But we made it safe and sound because I'm an excellent driver. I'm getting my infusion right now, watching a little bit of TV. Should be done here shortly. Amber's right there. Say hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Playing a game.
You're not gonna take your daily nap in here?
No.
Once I get home, I'm probably gonna take a nap because, as I told you guys before, my antibiotics make me very sleepy. Yes, I did upload my last vlog on my main channel. I don't really post my tobacco videos. I'm gonna be uploading more on that channel too. If any of you guys on my main channel want to come over and subscribe to our vlog channel, that would be greatly appreciated. So just like that, we are done with my infusion for today. Tomorrow, I gotta go see the infection disease guy or whatever. Also, I gotta come back here tomorrow too. They said I can come after that appointment, which is at 11:30 a.m.
I think these doors are freaking heavy.
Yeah. We're almost to the car.
I like the car.
Going home, taking a nap, but first we gotta run a few places. I got home at like about 4 and then I took a nice long nap. Right now it's about 8 o'clock p.m. Amber's already in bed, so I thought might as well edit this video, get it uploaded live on YouTube on both of my channels. If you guys are new, please do like this video, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Jesse and Amber Vlogs are signing out.